Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar. I heartily welcome you to in our Vivek Academy of Learning channel, and today we are discussing BCom SEM 3 questions of the subject Indian financial system. So we start these questions. First question is, no one is involved in the Indian financial system. Option A, finance market. Option B, finance intermediaries. Option C, finance instrument. Option D, money. The right answer is option D, money. Types of finance market: 3. Option A 3, option B 2, option C 4, option D 1. The right answer is option B 2. Which of the following is not finance instrument? Treasury bills. Option A. Option B, call money. Option C, equity shares. Option D, CBLO. The right answer is option C, equity share. Now we discuss fourth question. What period is the money market called? Option A, short term. Option B, long term. Option D, medium term. Option D, not a single. The right answer is option A, short term. Now we discuss fifth question. Who regulate the money market? Option A, RBI. Option B, SEBI. Option C, IRDA. Option D, SBI. The right answer is RBI. Option A. Now we discuss sixth question. What period is the capital market called? Long term, medium term, short term, or option D, not a single? The right answer is a long term. Option A. Now we discuss seventh question. Who regulates the capital market? SEBI, IRDA, RBI, or share market? The right answer is option A, SEBI. Now we discuss eighth question. Who issues treasury bills on behalf of government? Option A, state government. Option B, RBI. Option C, financial intermediaries. Option D, capital market. The right answer is option B, RBI. When was the Reserve Bank of India Act implemented? Option A, 1934. Option B, 1935. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1950. The right answer is option A, 1934. Who was economic liberalization? How has economic liberalization been implemented in India? Option A, 1990. Option B, 1991. Option C, 1992. Option D, 1993. The right answer is option B, 1991. Now we discuss 11th question. What is the year of establishment of Reserve Bank of India? Option A, 1935. Option B, 1945. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1969. Right answer is option A, 1935. Now we discuss 12th question. When was the Bombay Stock Exchange established? Option A, 1877. Option B, 1957. Option C, 1995. Option D, 2001. The right answer is 1877. Now we discuss 13th question. When was the National Stock Exchange established? Option A, 1990. Option B, 1992. Option C, 1994. Option C, 1996. The right answer is option B, 1992. Now we discuss 14th question. When did FERA come into force? Option A, 1970. Option B, 1965. Option C, 1972. 1973. Option D, 1960. The right answer is option C, 1973. When was SEBI established? Option A, 1929. Option B, 1992. Option C, 1930. Option D, 1892. The right answer is option B, 1992. Which stock market has its own administrative rules? Option A Delhi stock market, option B Bombay stock market, option C Kolkata stock market, option D Ahmedabad stock market. The right answer is Bombay stock market, option B. Now we discuss 17th question. Which of the following is not a stock market features? Option A stock market recognition, option B membership, option C bylaws, option D meeting of stock market. The right answer is meeting of stock market. Now we discuss 18th question. Where was the world's first stock market established? Option A USA, option B London, option C India, option D Japan. The right answer is option B London. Now we discuss 19th question. Describe the function of the capital market. Option A allocation function, option B function of director, option C function of liquidity, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. Which of the following is not a characteristic of money market? Option A short-term requirement, option B brokers, option D low cost of deals, option D equipment of capital market. The right answer is option D equipment of capital market. When was the nationalization of banks in India? 21. When was the nationalization of banks in India? Option A 1949-47, option B 1951, option C 1965, option D 1969. The right answer is option D 1969. Now we discuss 22 question. What are the types of NBFCs? Option A 2, option C 3, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is option A 2. When was UTI established? Option A 1969, option B 1962, option C 1963, option D 1964. The right answer is 1964. When did the IRDA come into force? Option A 1972, option B 1991, option C 2000, option D 2005. The right answer is option C 2005. Who controls the insurance companies? Option A RBI, option B SEBI, option C IRDA, option D central government. The right answer is IRDA. Now we discuss 26th question. When was the LIC established? Option A 1955, option B 1956, option C 1957, option D 1958. The right answer is option B 1956. Now we discuss 27th question. How money bank were nationalized in 1969? Option A 15, option B 11, option C 14, option D 10. The right answer is option C 14. Now we discuss 28th question. How many functions of a commercial bank? Option A 2, option C 3, option B 3, option C 4, option 5, option D 5. The right answer is A 2. Now we discuss 29th question. Describe the benefits of mutual fund. Option A expert guide, option B at least risk, option D liquidity of cash, and option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. How many types of LIC? Option A 2, option C 3, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is option A 2. Which shares are mandatory to issue? Option A equity share, option B preference shares, option C sweet equity share, option D all of the above. The right answer is equity shares. Which shareholders have the first right to receive capital bank? Option A equity shareholders, option B preference shareholders, option C equity shareholders, option D all of the above. The right answer is equity shareholders. Which shareholders have the right to vote? Preference shareholders, equity shareholders, option C equity share, sweet equity share holders, option D all of the above. The right answer is equity shareholders. Which share is converted into equity share? Option A convertible preference shares, option B participating preference shares, option C remedial preference shares, option D all of the above. The right answer is convertible preference share. Now we discuss 35 question. What is the meaning of receiving short notice money? Option A call money, option B money, option C short money, option D all of the above. The right answer is option A call money. When was the commercial bank introduced into India? Option A 1995, option B 1990, option C 1909, option D 1945. The right answer is option B 1990. Who was not invest in a treasury bill? Option A banks, option B dealers, option C financial institution, option D public. The right answer is option D public. Deposit certificates can be absolute at least in multiples. Option A 1 lakh, option B 50 lakh, option D 10 lakh, option D 2 lakh. The right answer is option A 1 lakh. How many types of commercial bills? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is option B 2. What is called treasury bill? Option A T bills, option B R bills, option C J bills, option D E bills. The right answer is option A T bills. So students, you get all the subjects material, and if you like our videos then like, share and subscribe. So best of lucks to all the students.